Nike LeBron NXXT Gen Future continues the legacy built by LeBron James while introducing a performance-focused model designed for the next generation of basketball players. For summer 2026, rising college star JuJu Watkins joins the LeBron family with special colorways that highlight the evolving identity of the line. One of the pairs recently appeared on court with a striking metallic silver and light crimson finish. The sneaker combines performance materials with a modern design approach. A leather toe overlay extends toward the lace collar, adding durability and structure to support quick pivots and toe drags during intense play. The upper is built with lightweight synthetic mesh that improves airflow and flexibility, helping athletes stay comfortable through long runs on the court. Underfoot, full-length Cushlon foam works alongside forefoot Zoom Air to deliver responsive cushioning and smoother landings. A translucent rubber outsole completes the design with reliable traction and a clean visual finish.